these tapes leaning against while they're closed? Yeah.
Here we go. Ready?
1 sec.
Oh. There we go.
Here, just plug it in real quick because it ran while it wasn't, but.
Oh, this thing has a child check alarm, mate.
What? What is that?
Turn the key to the right one. Alright, we're good. It's got the child check alarm. Oh, no, sorry. Wait for the light to go. There we go. Are you plugged in out there? Oh, yeah.
The batteries are going to have to be replaced.
Here, we'll just leave it on for right now then until it comes back up. And then,
My boss is on that too, though, so you guys don't
alright.
Yeah.
just let it go. Alright. You can let it run for a little bit, though. I'll be here for a little while.
Okay.